Okay, students, welcome again to your science class. Hello, it's a pleasure for me as every day to be here with you, learning new things with you. First, we are going to watch a video in our today's science class to interpret in a better way what happened in one process that is over here. So we're going to observe the process of one ice cube melting, so you can have a better way to describe what happened during all this process. Let's go and watch the video. Okay, here we are, so now pay attention please. Here we have one ice cube and we are not seeing, but this ice cube is melting because of the rays of the sun. This ice cube was big at the beginning, but now his size is more small than at the beginning. And it's becoming more small, more small. Interesting, right? So at the end we are just getting water. Because what happened? The ice cube melted completely. It's completely melted. So now, look, there is just water. Excellent. Now, you are going to look for book page 104 and you are going to write there 2 answers for the different questions that you have there. The question number 1 says, what effect does the sun have on the ice cube? And the answer is the ice cube melts. Yes, the ice cube melts. Then in the second one, what causes the ice cube melt? The heat of the sun. Yes, of course. The heat of the sun is the one who causes that the ice cube melt. Excellent. Now we're going to continue working in activities from book page 107. The first question says temperatures are very low. Days are shorter and nights are longer. So you're going to underline the correct season of the year in which the temperatures are very low, days are very shorter, and nights are longer. If you don't remember, go and watch again the table. Remember that during winter time is the time where the temperatures are low and the days are shorter and nights are longer. So now that you have the correct answer, you're going to write there. You're going to underline the word winter. Now, in the second one, according to the season, you must choose clothing too. So, depending on the season of the year, we choose the clothes that we use daily. But why do you choose that clothes? To look good, just to fashion, to model, to avoid getting sick, or to feel good? You're going to underline avoid getting sick. Continue with the next activity. Number 2. In the number 2 you have there some pictures, right? Coffee, strawberries, mangoes, and onions. So you're going to write there the name of the season of the year in which each one of those crops is produced. The coffee is produced during winter time or winter season. The strawberries are produced during summer. The same with the mangoes. And during winter we get onions. The last activity from the same page has 2 different lines, and what you are going to do there is you're going to write the names of the clothes that we use during summer and the clothes that we use during winter. So I'm going to help you. Here I have this picture. You're going to copy those names. Those names you're going to copy. Okay. You're going to copy in summer the names of the clothes that you use in summer. In winter, you're going to write the names of the clothes that you use during winter time. That was everything for today's science class. You don't have homework today. Enjoy the rest of the evening and see you until next time.